Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Google's Antigravity code editor on Windows 11 PC. Google introduced brand new code editor like VS Code, which is Antigravity. Today, I will show you how to install Antigravity on Windows 11 PC. At first, I open my browser and then I search Antigravity and hit enter. This is the official website of Antigravity, antigravity.google. I click on it. So here is the Antigravity website, very much animated website. In the home page, we see that download for Windows button. I click on this button. After that, I click on download for x64. It will download within few minutes, so we need to wait for this. So download is completed. I click on show in folder. So I click on download for x64. Then it will downloading. It will take few seconds to complete the download. I minimize my browser. This is the setup file of Antigravity software. I double click on it. I accept the agreement, click on next button, click on next and click on next. Here I click on add open with Antigravity action to Explorer file context menu, and I also click on create a desktop icon. Click on next and click on install button. It will take few minutes to install on Windows 11 PC. I will fast forward this part. So installation is completed. I click on finish button. Now it will open within few minutes. I click on allow button. First time it open, so I click on next button. I choose dark mode, so I click on next button. It asks me how do I want to use Antigravity agent. I chose the review and drive and development, that is recommended. I click on next button and keyboard will be normal and extension will be recommended. I click on next button. and it asked me sign in with Google because it is a Google product. That's why it asked me to log in with Google. I click on sign in with Google. Then it I need to approve permission for this editor. I click on sign in button and click on open Antigravity. I minimize my browser and Antigravity is open and it asks me term of use agreement. Already it did, so I click on next, and that is the Antigravity interface. It is almost look like VS Code. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install Antigravity on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.